Hey everybody, Shabo here, back from a video, and today I will be showing you how to make a building tool in Roblox. So the first thing we're going to want to do is get the tool. So I'm going to go to Explorer, go to Starter Pack, right click it, then go to Insert Object. Now we're going to go to Tool, and then we have our tool right there. If you don't see it, then you have to click the arrow next to Starter Pack, and then click on the tool and then go to Properties. Now we're going to go to Behavior, Can Be Dropped, so they can't drop their tool, and then Requires Handle, because they don't have a handle there, so we're going to turn that off. Now I'm just going to name it Building Tool. Don't need to do this, but I'm going to do it anyway. Now we're going to right click it, Insert Object, click on Script. Now we're going to do that again, but this time go to Local Script. Then now we're going to get the last thing, which is a remote event. Now we're going to name these client server. Not required, but I'm still doing it, just to make it easier to use. Now we're going to go to the server. We're going to delete this because you don't need that. And then put local tool equals script.parent. So we're setting up a variable for the tool, which goes from the script to the parent, which is the tool. Now we're going to get the remote event. So local remote event equals tool, wait for child, remote event. The reason we're using wait for child is to wait for it to load in if it hasn't yet. I'm using this to communicate between the scripts. Now we're going to hover over all of this. We're just highlighting all of it, right clicking it, and then copying it, or pressing Ctrl C. Now we're going to go to the other script, delete this, and then press Ctrl V, or right click and paste. Now we're going to set up some extra variables that only this script can use. This script cannot use that. So local player equals game.players.localPlayer. This will be the variable for the player who's using it. And then local mouse equals player get mouse. So we're going to get the mouse from the player. We're going to be using this to get the mouse's location when we click. Now we're going to press enter twice, and then put tool.activated connect function like this. So whenever you click with the tool equipped, it will fire everything inside of this area. So I'm going to put print clicked. That's for debugging. It will appear on the output when you click. And we're going to put remote event fire server mouse.hit. Mouse.hit is the mouse location. We're passing that off to the script over here. So go back to the script over here, and then put remote event on server event connect function player and then C-frame. The reason we need to put player because it always is there before the variables we put in. And this will be the mouse location. So now we're going to make the part. Local part instance.new part, and part.parent equals workspace. This will just make it visible. Then part.size, this isn't required, but I'm going to put this to make it a block. And then part.position equals cframe.position. Or if you want the rotation to work too, you can put cframe and then remove the position. Now we're going to click play. And then if we select our building tool, then we click, our building block goes wherever we click. Now we're going to click stop. And if you want the position like this, it'll do the same thing but without the rotation. That's how you make a building block in Roblox. Make sure to slap that like button and punch that subscribe button. Peace.